Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Tohfa. I know I haven't made a cooking recipe in a very long time due to the cancer, but today I thought I'd make an easy egg recipe. Basically it's Gesmoorde Eier that I'm going to make. It's a colored usual in every household. It's onions, braised onions and egg. So the egg is scrambled and it will have braised onions with it. So I've just oiled my pan now with a little bit of olive oil. I'm not sure if you can see it. Here we go. Olive oil. And I have some leftover braised onion. I didn't use all of my onion. I made chicken biryani yesterday. So I'm going to put some onion in the pan. Let me show you what it looks like before I do so. So this is basically it. Like I said, I made biryani yesterday, so I didn't use all the onion, but today I'm going to use it. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but there we go. So I'll heat up the pan and I will put some braised onion in the pan. The best part of using leftover braised onions is that I don't have to stand long in front of the stove to braise onions all over again. So I'll just add in the amount of onions I want to use. I will leave the recipe in the description box. So the onions wouldn't need to braise very long. Like I said, it is already braised. It's leftover braised onion, which is okay to use. You can braise your onion freshly, or freshly braise an onion, or braise a fresh onion for your Gesmoorde Eier. That's typically up to you. And to this I will be adding in some chili that I just cut up any which way. So yeah guys, I didn't have much energy for cooking since I was diagnosed with cancer. So I thought today I'd make something because I feel like having Gesmoorde Eier. I have some eggs that I basically cracked and put into a bowl because I check my eggs before I just add it in. Sometimes the eggs don't come out so nicely out of the eggshell. Don't know what the cause of that might be. You can ask the the chicken's mother. So I've added the eggs in now, and now I will do the spices. So I'll start off with some seasoning first. Guys, you add salt and pepper to your taste, eh? So if you like a lot of salt, go ahead and do so. If you don't, that's perfectly fine as well. You don't even need to add in any pepper. I do so. And then I'll be adding in curry powder. And like I said, I will leave the measurements in the description box. I'm also adding in borrie to give it that yellowish color. And I'm adding in a little bit of packo masala because that's how we do it. And now I'm just going to scramble the eggs. Like I said, it is Gesmoorde Eier is basically scrambled eggs with braised onions and spices. Some people go a little bit further and add in dhania and all of those things, but I don't. I keep it nice and simple and delicious. It's something I grew up with in my household. My mommy makes this up until today.